Here's how you pin a post on Instagram. Pinning a post on Instagram, it's super simple. You can pin up to 3 posts on Instagram. And hey, those are gonna be the posts that you see at the very top row of your Instagram grid, and they're gonna stay there. Any new posts that you put in there are gonna appear underneath those posts that you have pinned. So it's kind of nice if you have something cool like an announcement, a sale, or something that you want people to see, you can include it as a pinned post. So how do you do it? So here you go, I got my Instagram account up here. Let's say, hey, I like this photo of this beach. I want it to be my pinned post. So what do? I'm gonna click on the top right-hand corner here, the 3 dots, scroll down to see pin to main grid, and then it will pin. So there you go. Where has the post gone? You'll see now it is the top post and it shuffled everything down on the grid. How do you unpin a post? Well, it's the same thing in reverse. You just click on the top right-hand corner, unpin from main grid, it'll unpin, and there you go, we're back to normal. So there you have it, it's super simple. That's how you pin a post on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. We have tons of great content coming your way all the time.